guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be swapping out the rear GTT wing on my Nissan Skyline. And what we are going to be swapping to is a GTR wing. So I think that will look pretty cool because the wing is a little bit higher and it should also be a little bit wider. I think this matches the line right there. I think the GTR wing is a little bit further out. That's at least what I've been told, but we will see when I get it on. I think it's Bayside Blue, but I'm not really 100% sure. So it will be exciting to see how good the paint matches. I mean, my car has been repainted last year, I think it was. So I don't know, since this is fresh Bayside Blue, and that may be old Bayside Blue, maybe that's not the same. I don't know. So we'll get it on, and then we'll see how it looks. I'm pretty excited about this because, I mean, I do have the GTR front, I do have a GTT S-Tune side skirts, and I do not have a GTR rear bumper, but I feel like that I do have the spats though. I do have some GTT converted spats that looks like the same as they do on the GTR, almost. Only mine they go a little bit further out there. The GTRs, they cut right there, but mine go all the way out. That follows the bumper line right there on both sides, as you can see. I'm pretty happy with that, so I like the look, and I'm not going to make this car look like a GTR because it's not, but a GTR spoiler does look really good. Okay, all the clips are gone, and now we can simply in there and in there. That's 2 nuts on both sides, and then this should come loose. Okay, oh, damn it. Okay. Now I've loosened 1 bolt on each side. I should remove the struts because this is... Okay, that's much better. I removed one of the struts holding the boot up because it's just pushing it up. So now we only have 1. That's much better. If I keep it at this height, it seems like it will not move, but I will... Now all the nuts are loose, I think. Let me just hold it and see. Okay, it should be loose, but I assume this has never come off, probably. Woohoo! There we go. Damn, that looks strange. This kind of reminds me of like when Brian O'Connor raced his R34 GTR in the beginning of Too Fast and Furious, when he didn't have a spoiler on the car yet because it was a project. It's pretty cool. Take a look at that. How does that look? Oh, it looks nude. It looks so clean, like so strange. Damn. In my opinion, looking at it just now, Skylines deserve to have a spoiler. Don't you agree? Yeah! Take a look at that. God damn. That's the look. Now I'm really excited to see if the bolt holes on the new spoiler lines up. I hope they do, but I mean, it's an aftermarket spoiler, so I don't really know. Maybe we actually have to drill in the car, and I don't want to do that, but if I have to, I have to. Here we have the new spoiler. Color-wise, I don't know. Let's see when we get it on. This has a carbon blade on the rear head, and I really love the design with like air flowing through beneath and in between here. I think that looks really, really cool. And this is actually adjustable, so you can adjust this. I think that's also pretty cool. I want it maximum with flip up, and I have not bought like these extenders. When the car does not have the GTR widening, like it's not as wide as the GTR, this is a GTT, so the rear fenders here, they stick out a little bit right here, but not too much. And I've seen other GTTs with the extenders, and then extenders, that means that these little legs are higher, they're almost twice the height, but I think that's too much when the car is not wide. It becomes very tall without being wide, and since this car is not that wide, I think it would fit best with like the, let's say, OEM, instead of having like higher up wing because it raises the car. I don't really like the look. I've seen some, but my personal opinion is that I don't really like that, so I will keep it at like stock GTR height. I have heard you can't see nothing out of the rear view mirror, but yeah, that will have to do. Now let's see if the bolt holes lines up. Look at that. They actually like almost fit and almost don't, but I could actually push the spoiler a little bit because I have not tightened these yet. So I will have them loose, tighten it to the car, and then tighten those after again. It's a little bit wider than the other one. The other one was all the way there, and you see this is a little bit wider. Oof, no, I need to get this bolted on. Oh my god. Oh, I'm excited about this. Oh, and that carbon blade, that looks so good. I really like that. Now, this is good. I just think I need to take my little baby for a walk now because she is not very patient with me. She needs a little nap. I'll take her for a short walk and we will come back and bolt this to the car. Oh, this is good. I've been waiting so long for this. I bought this at the same time when I bought my BMW E30. That's when I bought this wing. So yeah, it's I've had it for a long time. Now baby is finally asleep after a short walk. Let's first find some nuts and bolts, then get the wing on. Are we ready? I will first just mount. It's one bolt like in the wing already, and rest is just holes. Do like so. Damn. Now we have all 4 bolts tightened to the trunk lid. We got all 8 of these bolts tightened, and I also tightened that one so the blade is tight. It should be good now. Yeah, and I got the strut on. I did remove that. I just took that and just pried that open and took this off. That was much easier to work with the boot lid when it was a little bit. I got some help from that strut, but it was not too hard. Really difficult to get this on again because damn, that's so hard and tight and I'm not that strong. But now let's actually, yeah, you can see this flapping around actually. But now we got that GTR wing on the car. Oh damn, it's good. It is a little bit taller, I think, than the old one actually. It's good. Yeah. These cars are pretty much like the same regarding mods. I mean, a GTR wing is in my eyes like a must-do modification on this car. The GTT wing, I know I've been driving with that for 3 years, and I mean it's alright, it's a wing, it's cool, it's a Skyline, it's a cool car, but of course it deserves a proper wing like this. But I mean, all the parts for this car cost a lot of money, so I have to do something one season and another thing next season. So now I have saved up some money to afford this wing. And yeah, I mean, last year I bought the wheels and those were super expensive. So yeah, I just need to save up bit by bit. But I'm going to have this car for a long time, so it's okay. And I really do want to focus on like the exhaust soon. I want, to be honest, my dream is to have like a 6-boost manifold and get a super cool turbo sound and exhaust sound with this RB25, but I know that is so expensive, so I cannot do that this year. But I want to experiment with the exhaust system alone, just the exhaust, like mufflers and stuff like that, to see if I can get the tone to change a little bit, but I'm not really sure. But how is it from the inside? It's not that bad. I mean, yeah, I can see the spoiler right there, but I think that's going, oh man, it looks so cool. It looks very cool in the rear mirror. Damn, we like that. I don't think that's going to be a problem. I don't know. Hopefully not. But I mean, I have mirrors on the side. Should be good. I think Lil P is getting a little bit like she doesn't want to wait too long for me doing my stuff, so now I've got to focus on her. So I'm going to go inside and play with her for a little bit, and to give her some quality time. And now I have had my quality time. I do really want to do some more. I want to lower it maybe a little bit more in the front and adjust the front bumper, because that also been annoying me ever since I bought the car. This is really annoying. So I do want to try and loosen the 2 bolts right there and just simply move it forward, and then make 2 new holes in the bumper to tighten the screws up again. Hopefully that works. I don't really know, but time will tell. And maybe this will cause a problem over here, but yeah, I will just try first to see what happens. If it is a problem right here, I will like lay like a black rubber gasket under the headlight, I think, and that will like hide it. Usually on cars there are some panel gaps here and there, so I don't think it will think about that if I do it. But oh damn, this car is looking so good. Like only from this angle you can just see the wing popping up from behind here. No, I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm happy with a lot of things. I know I said a lot in my videos. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you learned something useful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. If you guys are interested in an OEM GTT wing for, I don't know, whatever. It could be a E30, another JDM car, I don't know, whatever. Or if you have a Skyline and you want a GTT wing, hit me up and you can buy this spoiler that's in pretty good condition actually. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.